Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel, on this beautiful day. Actually, it's not really a beautiful day, it's just cold and dark and dank outside, but still, it's a beautiful day because I'm making this beautiful video, and I hope all you beautiful people are doing great. Basically today we're just gonna, I did decide we're just going to make the inventory state. I'm gonna start off with doing that. But before I get started, please check out the description box. Just open it up. It'll just fold out, and you got a bunch of useful links down there. Consider just following me on Twitter if you want. Also, joining the Discord is pretty important, I'd say, because you can find us all over there, all the viewers and me as well. We all talk there, help each other out. Otherwise, just drop a like, subscribe if you want to, and let's just start with this video. So I have game state open. Now I'm pretty much just gonna add a new item here. Or new class called inventory state. I'd say state. I do want to add character in front of it. It's going to be a pretty long name. Character inventory state. Okay, virtual, and then state is the base class. I'll just do that. Boom. And we have our new state here. So pretty easy. We've made a bunch of states before, but it's always good to work with these states here. So let me just do this. Copy just about everything, almost. I'm just gonna put that in the CPP, like this, and remove one of those. Boom. Okay, cool. Now I'm going to just copy these two, and I'm going to put that in the H header file right here. Boom. Alright. I'm going to open up gamestate.h because we make our, let me just do all that. Let me copy these first. We do all our states almost the same way. So if I look in the H file here, let me just open this up here. Put it right next there. There we go. Alright. So public area here, I need a private. There we go, the usual. State, that's fine. Also, we need to include the stuff. So I'm pretty much going to include all of these just now, and I'm going to remove a few of them that we don't need. Like that. So I'm going to remove that one. I'm going to pretty much remove that. Don't need that. Character menu state, not required. Character required. Character is required. State is required. Stack. Well, stack is required, obviously. File stream might be IOStream vector. I'll keep those for now. Okay, so there you go. And we're good. Like that. Now, game state didn't need the std here because we use the namespace. Now let me just see. Okay, I am using namespace std everywhere. Let me just do that for the sake of this tutorial, using namespace std. Am I even recording? Yes, I am. Okay, cool. So there we go. There's a few things. Let me just get this little thingy here started. There we go. Okay. So that's pretty much it for that. I just need these functions as well. Right down here. Like that. Let me just make sure this is the same. Yeah, it looks like it. I'll remove that. So soon our state is done. I just need to define these. I'm going to copy paste those as well. So print menu. Pretty much print menu and all of these. Just gonna copy that. Boom. It's always a tedious process, but it's okay. There we go. I'm just going to copy paste the names like this. Boom and boom. Okay. Everything else is the same. And then we have our menu here, obviously. So I'm just going to remove all of this stuff. Just keep the quit. Not a valid option. Boom, boom, boom. Just keep one menu item. Quit to let's say back to menu. I guess that's what we use, right? Isn't that it? Stat menu state. Let's see what I use there. Quit to menu. So I'll use quit to menu here as well. Boom. Okay, so now we have our state running. And in this state, I'm gonna have one option called show inventory. And this is basically just gonna print out everything for us from character menu state. I'm gonna put mine in states here as well. There we go. So character menu state. As we can see, we had our inventory option here. So basically now this is just going to push a new state for us, like this, for push a new state, and we'll also include it in character menu state.h. We need to include character inventory state. I will just call it that. It should be inventory menu state, just to kind of stat character inventory state. We'll just call it inventory, whatever. The name will be too long, but that's cool. All right, character menu state will push a new character inventory state with the variables. Copy this little thingy out here, and that's cool. So that's good. Now we're just gonna go in to the new state we created, character inventory state, and the first option is basically going to be case 1 is this, and then we break. Boom. All right, so we're just gonna get the character inventory to string, and then we're gonna break. And then the other options are probably going to be something like equip item, like that, and then let's see, equip item. What else could there be? I guess this equip item, and then destroy item, something like that. We'll just work with that. Or we could make a sub menu from show inventory, but we'll see. We'll keep it like this. Cool. All right, let's give this baby a test run. Let's go ahead, try that out. Should be fine. I did push all the changes from the last videos to GitHub, so you can just find them there if you're having any problems. So here we are. Boom, bam, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's go into character menu, inventory, and then that's cool. All right. That's cool. So it says game menu. I'll just say inventory menu here. Get menu bar, not really required for our print menu here. Quit to menu, boom, 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 all that stuff. Okay, let's see again. Let's try that again. So start the game, character menu, for inventory, inventory menu, show inventory. Okay, all right, that's cool. The problem here is that I'm pretty sure in the character menu state we're actually doing the CLS and the pause here, which I don't want to do. There we go. That should fix all the problems, and I'm going to use that in here instead. System pause. Okay, all right. Now finally, if we run it one more time, we should be good, and the state should be ready, so I can do stuff. Character menu, for inventory. All right, so we're in the inventory menu now. I can do a bunch of stuff here. Show inventory, boom, bam, easy peasy. Look at that, beautiful. Equip item won't do anything, sure. Going back, no problems. And then stats, we'll see our weapon equipped right here. So before we end the video, what I want to do is in the inventory state, I do the toString. I just want to show equipped items. All right, I do want to show the equipped items. And the easiest way I'd say to do that is to create a function in character where we go down here and we have the get location. Let's just do get inventory. Let's see, functions here. ToString stats. All right. Const std string ToString items, or equip. Equipped is pretty much it, what I want to call it. I'll do a const there just for now. We'll define this function in character.cpp. Let's just go in there and fix this little function up. So boom, boom, bam. Where is it? ToString. I just need to copy this whole thing here. And to copy all of this, I'm just gonna go down to this thing right here. Okay. Std string stream ss, and then if we have a weapon. All right. Cool. So we'll do that, and eventually if we add more items, we can just put them in here and it will return it for us nicely and neatly, so we don't have to rewrite all this code. There we go. Okay, so boom, easy peasy. Let's just see. Let's go into character inventory state again, and we do get the inventory. I also want to print out this character get ToString equipped. Alright, I'm pretty sure this is gonna be ugly as hell, but hopefully it's gonna be fine. Probably I can add some message dividers and stuff, and we'll see how that works out. Let's just see here if this runs. Okay, start game. Whoops, start game. Inventory. Show inventory. Yeah, this is kind of ugly, but we can see what is equipped and what is not equipped. And hopefully, we can work with that probably. Hopefully. Okay. Alright, but I'm happy. I'm okay with that just for now. I'll just comment that out and we'll keep it there. We'll play around with that later on. But yeah, that's it for this video. We created the character inventory state. Now we're gonna create some armors and we're gonna fill this inventory up. Also, we're gonna fix the removal of items and equipping and stuff like that, and then eventually just getting drops from enemies and chests, and kind of building this whole item loot thing with all different types of items and stuff. So it's gonna be kind of fun, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Hope you had a good time. Thank you so much for all the support. Check out the description box, like I said in the beginning. Got a bunch of useful links. Follow me on Twitter. Go join us on Discord. Drop a like, subscribe if you want. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys and girls in the next one, alright? Bye-bye.